morning, Huntsville Station 2 for Adcept. Lab camera number 2 is ready for downlink.
Good morning, Talk. We see the view. I have a couple things for you before we get started. First thing, we want to verify that Locker 3's power switch is off. Can you do that for us?
Checking. It's a locker switch, power switch is on. It should be off.
We copy, Talk, and yes, Locker 3 power should be set to OFF off.
Okay, locker 3 power switch is off.
We copy OFF, and we saw you might have some needle nose pliers. Can you make sure to grab the combination pliers before we start option 1? Let me know when you get back, and I'll give you a big picture overview of what we're doing today.
So I took this tool from Node 1 toolbox, drawer 4. It's labeled as combination pillar. This one. And the one I saw in the message, we don't have that kind of tool inside the toolbox.
Copy. Let us check on the ground, and I'll get you some more information. We see that picture.
Okay, so let me grab some other similar tool so that you guys can take a look.
Copy, Doc. Thank you.
The Huntsville Station on 2, the only tool I might be able to use today is this guy called adjustable head plier. This head is relatively big, so I'm not sure if it fits between the connector socket. But I can try.
Talk, we copy. We see that. Those probably are a little too big. Hang on to those needle nose pliers, and let us check on the ground real quick and see if we can get you a location for what we're looking for. And while I've got you there and we're checking, I do have big picture words for you, if you're ready.
Right.
Copy. So what we'll be doing today is trying to troubleshoot the Adcept locker. We're going to start with option 1, hopefully using combination pliers or something similar to try to realign the bottom of the outer shell of the connector inside the locker. Once we've done that, we want to use a single Adcept cassette, which I have a location for if you need it, to test slot alpha. If that works, we will move on to the full ICC cassette. If option 1 does not work, we'll do option 2 by loosening the screws on connector about a quarter turn and try the single cassette and then the large one again. All this is referenced in the Jedi message attached to the detective.
Okay, I took a look at the message, and let me grab the single size locker.
We copy. Talk, Huntsville's with you on 2 again. Coming up on a quick handover, so we'll lose video. I'll give you a call when we are back and ready to proceed.
Copy, standing by.
Talk, if you still have those needle nose pliers or something that'll fit, you can go ahead and try that first adjustment on slot alpha.
With that, and before that, I will try to put on the connector cover to the socket.
Sounds good to us. Thank you. Station on Space to Ground 2 for Talk and Adcept. We're back with you. Currently tracking through an array, might drop KU, but we are, for the most part, back and ready to proceed.
Okay, and I used the plier to get the gap smaller, and the gap is still there, but now it became smaller than before, so I can try with the single size locker if you guys are ready.
Copy. Thank you for the info, and we are ready to proceed with the single locker.
And good news,
looks good.
I did feel the soft metal. Can we try the big one?
We were thinking the same thing, Talk. Let's go ahead and try that quad size cassette. Station on Space Ground 2 for Talk and Adcept. Talk, yesterday you loosened the connector on the back of the cassette. Can you try shifting it towards the bottom of the cassette and then try to fit the quad back in? Cup thumbs up. Talk consoles with you on 2, no required. We do have option 2 available in the same message. If you think that loosening the connector plate without a quarter turn would help, you're going to do that, but we trust your judgment on this. Copy, you're okay? Talk and Ann. Huntsville copy the thumbs up and looks like the locker is in. Thank you so much.
And Huntsville station on 2, so locker is not closed, so I guess I should turn on the locker 3 first and put the power switch to on Adcept for how copy.
Talk, we copy all, and yes, you are go to switch the power on. Locker 3 power on.
Okay, locker 3 power and also Adcept 4 power switches are both on or in, so you guys can try to talk to the boss.
We copy ON. To you, Talk and we want to thank you guys for your hard work. And we are going to wait about 60 seconds for Adcept to boot, and we'll let you know the status.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Talk console's back with you on 2. We have confirmation that Adcept is on, and we wanted to thank you once more for your hard work today and offering to work a little more on this troubleshooting. And we are good to release you back to your timeline.
Y'all, that's really good news, great news. I appreciate it. And also congratulations to the team on successful troubleshooting. Thanks.
We appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day.